Hey guys, it's Wanda and this is Crazy Days, and my prep item this week is gloves. Danny and I have tried lots and lots of gloves all over the place, and we asked our friend Cuz Strickland at A Fistful of Dirt what they used when they were filming hunting videos and things like that, and he said he'd tried them all. He said the best thing he found was these just regular black cotton gloves. He said they work better than anything else. So my prep item this week, I bought a dozen women's and a dozen men's just to have on hand, because these things, if you get them wet and dirty after a while, they do need, you can wash them and stuff like that, but they will wear out. So I have enough for, say, a few years. So cotton gloves are must on a homestead. Even if you wear the thicker gloves, these are good as an inside glove also. So prep item this week, cotton gloves.